Today's tip is all about how and why you score your cardstock.
So the first way that's the most inexpensive, take a pencil and your ruler and make just a tiny little tick mark at the top and the bottom at 5.5. And then take your ruler and you're just going to line up the two tick marks, and you need something that has a bit of a blunt edge. So you don't need to have a bone folder to do this, but you want something that doesn't have any paint on it or isn't going to cut into your paper. So all I'm doing is pushing into the paper. Now what I can do, I get asked the question a lot, which way do I fold my paper after it's scored? Well, when we think about it, what we've just done is we have spread apart the fibers of this paper. So we have created room for it to go around the corner. So I always fold away from my score line, and then I will burnish it. You can tell that I didn't do it exactly straight. Burnish it with the end of my spoon, and then I have a nice crisp fold. The second way to score your cardstock is with a tool, with a trimmer that has a scoring blade on it. So this is the Stampin' Up! Trimmer, and it has a cutting blade that's a darker color, and it has a scoring blade that is a lighter taupe color. So I'm going to move my cutting blade out of the way, and I'm going to put my paper in. And instead of doing it at 5.5 this time, I'm just going to do it at 2 1/8. So I am going to move my paper. Let's do it this way. I'm going to move my paper here at 2 1/8. And then I'm just going to close the lid, and I'm going to hold it against this lip here, and I'm just going to run that a couple times. And it is smooth enough, and it's not going to hurt it. I can then fold this way. So this is the Simply Scored tool, and this is a tool that I use every day when I'm making cards. It comes with a burnisher like this that has a ball on either end, a smaller one and a larger one. I'm going to do 1 inch, and I'm just going to pull straight down. You are just going to fold away from that, sort of over top, and then I'm going to pull in a bone folder instead of my spoon, and I'm just going to crisp those edges up. So that's how you can create a score line for making cardstock.
Thanks very much for joining me. Please like the video and subscribe if you'd like to. Also join my email list where you can get exclusive ideas from me every week. Thanks very much. Have a great paper crafting day.